Do you ever feel lately like there's a fog covering your brain? You keep forgetting important things, you struggle to read small print, and you feel like your doctor just shrugs and says, "That's normal when you get older. Just accept it." A lot of doctors say cognitive decline is normal with age, but modern science shows we can do so much more. Your brain cells are literally starving for the premium raw materials that the modern diet has stripped away. In the next section, we're not just talking about one little trick or one single juice. This is a detailed framework, a complete blueprint built on cutting-edge nutritional science. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use these 6 natural foods, together with the precise 3+3 rule, for when to take them during the day. 2. 1. Unlock maximum blood flow to the brain. 2. Put out the chronic inflammation that's quietly destroying your brain cells. 3. And supply the building materials so your eyes and memory work at their absolute best. Right now, not in random order, but according to the 3 life-critical goals for a healthy brain at any age. 1. Goal number 1. Lubrication. Make sure fuel, oxygen and nutrients gets pumped to the brain without blockages. 2. Goal number 2. Protection. Build a shield against inflammation and toxins. 3. Goal number 3. Regeneration. Trigger the brain's self-repair ability while you sleep. We're going to start with goal number 1, lubrication. You know, your brain is only about 2% of your body weight, yet it consumes up to 20% of your total oxygen and blood. If the pipes get clogged or the pump gets weak, that is the direct cause of the mental sluggishness you call brain fog. To restart this system, we need the fastest acting tool to unlock circulation. And nothing does it faster and more powerfully than beet juice. Let's see why beets are your emergency oxygen valve, and how it works in as little as 30 minutes after you drink it. Beet juice. Kickstarting the lubrication and maximum sharpness mechanism. We all know the key to reducing brain fog and keeping vision sharp comes down to 3 core goals: lubrication, blood flow; protection, anti-inflammatory; and regeneration, cell repair. Now let's explore tool number 1 that serves our lubrication goal: beet juice. Unlocking the emergency oxygen valve for your brain. Your brain is a biological supercomputer that uses massive amounts of energy. Though it's only a tiny fraction of your body weight, it demands 20% of the total oxygen and blood you breathe and pump every day. Imagine what happens if the fuel lines, blood vessels, get clogged. Thinking speed drops, memory flickers, and you start feeling sluggish. The secret power of beets lies in their abundant natural nitrates. When you drink beet juice, those nitrate molecules quickly convert into nitric oxide, the compound I call the active vasodilator. Picture your blood vessels as highways. As we age, natural nitric oxide production slows, lanes narrow, and traffic jams form. Nitric oxide from beets acts like an emergency lane opening command. It signals the vessel walls to relax, allowing capillaries to widen and blood to flow stronger and faster. This has profound meaning for your cognition and memory. Studies show increased blood flow especially benefits the frontal lobe areas responsible for thinking, decision-making, and information processing. For older adults worried about cognitive decline, regularly adding beets can support healthy brain aging by making sure your brain always gets fresh fuel to run at peak performance. Synergistic benefit. Enhanced vision protection. While nitrates are the key to circulation, when we combine beets in smart recipes, which I'll share in a moment, we create a true total eye and brain tonic. Beet juice, especially when blended with carrot and orange, becomes a powerhouse source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and strong antioxidants. Vitamin A from the beta-carotene in carrots is the raw material for rhodopsin, the visual pigment that lets you see clearly in low light. The antioxidants in beets, beta-cyanin, and the partnering ingredients, like vitamin C, act as protective shields against free radical and blue light damage, helping preserve retinal cells and slow age-related vision decline. 10 additional benefits of beet juice. The circulation boost from beets doesn't stop at the brain and eyes. It positively affects the entire body, giving you comprehensive, sharp health at any age. 1. Blood pressure control and heart health. As explained, Natural nitrates are powerful vasodilators that directly help stabilize blood pressure. Controlled blood pressure dramatically lowers stroke and heart disease risk. Plus, the potent antioxidants help manage blood cholesterol, keeping main arteries clean and flexible, indirectly protecting heart and brain. 2. Increased physical stamina and faster muscle recovery. Athletes love this benefit. Nitrates help muscles use oxygen more efficiently, directly boosting endurance. Great for running, cycling, or gardening. You can exercise longer and harder, and muscles recover faster, keeping you supple and strong. 3. Liver detox and digestive support. The liver is the body's main filter. Beta-cyanine and beneficial plant compounds help the liver remove toxins more effectively. Beet juice, when prepared correctly, is also rich in fiber, improving digestion, softening stool, and stimulating peristalsis, a natural solution for constipation common in older adults. 4. Strengthened immunity and powerful anti-inflammatory action. Thanks to vitamin C, A, B6, and strong antioxidants, beets provide a crucial nutritional shield that boosts immunity and protects against bacteria and viruses. The antioxidants also help extinguish chronic low-grade inflammation, quietly destroying cells throughout the body. 5. Anemia prevention and nutrient replenishment. Beets are a natural iron source, critical for red blood cell production and preventing iron deficiency anemia. Oxygen-rich blood ensures optimal delivery to every tissue. Beets also supply folate, an essential B vitamin for cell growth and repair, important for everyone, especially older adults and pregnant women. 6. Weight loss. Support and skin beauty. Low-calorie, high-fiber beet juice helps you feel full longer, supporting calorie control. For beauty, vitamins A, carotenoids, and lutein, in blended recipes, protect skin from premature aging, while potassium strengthens hair and reduces hair loss. Guide to creating 11 sharp beet juice recipes. Beets have a distinctive, earthy taste, so we need to pair them intelligently to make drinks that are both delicious and nutrient synergistic, especially boosting vitamins A and C and antioxidants for eyes and brain. A brain and vision boosting recipes. These focus on pumping oxygen and protecting neurons, perfect to kickstart your day. 1. Beet carrot apple, the classic trio. The gold standard. Carrots supply beta-carotene for vision. Apples add antioxidants and natural sweetness to balance the beet flavor. 2. Beet ginger orange. A small slice of ginger aids digestion and fights inflammation, while orange provides massive vitamin C and better iron absorption. 3. Beet pomegranate lemon. A super antioxidant bomb, great for metabolism and liver detox. B. Stamina and weight loss support recipes. Lower calorie, enzyme-rich versions. 4. Beet pineapple mango lemon. Tropical, rich in vitamin C and bromelain. Delicious and skin beautifying. 5. Beet carrot cucumber. A green hydrating, very low-calorie version. 6. Beet celery orange. Celery naturally supports healthy blood pressure and adds minerals and vitamin K. See flavor variation recipes. 7. Beet green apple lemon. Green apples are less sweet, great for blood sugar control. 8. Beet pineapple watermelon. Super refreshing, fast hydration. 9. Beet carrot pineapple ginger. A powerful all-around blend. 10. Beet carrot apple Greek yogurt. Smoothie style. Turn it into a smoothie with unsweetened Greek yogurt for probiotics and protein. Skip if you want fastest nitrate uptake. 11. Beet ginger watercress. Add a handful of watercress for chlorophyll and vitamin K. A potent detox and blood-building drink. Before you start with beets, remember we're using powerful natural tools. Safety first, especially for older audiences. 1. Kidney stone. Warning: beets are high in oxalates. If you have a history or risk of oxalate kidney stones, you must consult your doctor before regular use. 2. Blood pressure medication. Warning: nitric oxide's blood pressure lowering effect is very strong. If you take blood pressure meds, discuss with your doctor to avoid excessive drops. 3. Golden rule: never combine beet juice with dairy milk. Serious digestive issues can occur. Use pure beet juice or pair with fruits, vegetables, water, or nut milks only. 4. Normal side effect: don't worry if urine or stool turns pink-red. Harmless beeturia proves you're getting real beets. In short, beet juice isn't just a drink. It's a complete nutritional strategy for older adults. It tackles lubrication by maximizing blood flow, improving brain function, protecting the heart, and, when blended smartly, lays a strong foundation for healthy vision. Now that we've ensured fuel is pumping hard, it's time to move to regeneration and discover the juice that helps your brain self-repair while you sleep. Blueberry juice, the nighttime brain charger we need. We just finished the beet section, the most powerful weapon for lubrication. With blood flowing freely, the next step in our 60-minute health strategy is to protect those precious wires from corrosion and damage. So let's move to tool number 2 for the protection goal: tomato juice. A simple drink that's actually a powerful cellular shield against aging. 2. Tomato juice, the protective shield against cellular damage. As we age, our brain and body face an invisible, constant enemy: oxidative stress. Think of your body like a running car. Oxidative stress is the rust and wear that never stops. Without strong protection, sensitive cells, especially neurons and retinal cells, get destroyed fast, leading to aging, vision loss, and chronic disease. Tomato juice steps in as a specially engineered anti-rust armor. Its power is almost entirely from one superstar antioxidant, lycopene. Lycopene, the ultimate retinal bodyguard and stroke risk reducer. Lycopene is what gives tomatoes their bright red color. Once absorbed, it's one of the most effective antioxidants for neutralizing free radicals that damage cells. For brain health, lycopene indirectly protects by strengthening cardiovascular health. Research shows lycopene helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides, keeping arteries clean and elastic. Clean arteries equals dramatically lower stroke risk, a catastrophe for brain function. This pairs perfectly with beet's circulation boost for a powerful two-pronged attack. For eye health, lycopene is especially vital because it accumulates in eye tissues, acting as a strong light filter and shield against UV and free radical damage. Tomato juice also contains significant lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, working together to protect the macula, responsible for sharp central vision, and slow age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. The absorption secret: lycopene needs heat and fat. Most people miss this crucial science fact. Lycopene is absorbed best when tomatoes are cooked or processed. Unlike vitamin C, cooking breaks down cell walls and makes lycopene far more bioavailable. That's why tomato juice, sauce, or canned tomatoes are superior sources. Also, lycopene is fat-soluble. Pair it with a little healthy fat, a teaspoon of olive oil or avocado, for maximum uptake. 10 more benefits of tomato juice. The cellular protection doesn't stop at brain and eyes. Here are more whole body benefits. 1. Heart foundation and blood sugar regulation. Rich in potassium and magnesium, plus lycopene's LDL lowering power. 2. Immunity and detox boost. Massive vitamin C plus chlorine and sulfur compounds support liver-kidney detox. 3. Digestion and weight control fiber, plus B vitamins aid metabolism. Low calorie, high water makes it perfect for weight management. 4. Total beauty care, skin and hair. Lycopene acts as internal sunscreen. Vitamins A and C boost collagen. Best timing and precautions to maximize lycopene protection: mid-morning or mid-afternoon, 2-3 HRs after meals. After exercise, great electrolyte replenishment. With dinner, cooked form plus fat equals max absorption. Avoid on empty stomach or right after juicing for too long. Drink fresh. Who should be cautious? Oxalate history GERD or high-sodium canned versions. Choose low-sodium or homemade. Tomato juice is a smart protection strategy that builds a real shield against cellular damage, perfectly completing the protection goal. After lubricating with beets and protecting with tomatoes, we now need tool number 3, regeneration. Let's move to blueberry juice, the nighttime brain charger that helps your brain repair while you sleep. Welcome to tool number 3. If beets open the highways and tomatoes shield the wires, the next juice handles the most important job: regeneration and repair. We're talking about blueberry juice, a powerful, elegant drink I call the nighttime brain charger. The difference between a sharp brain and a declining brain is its ability to self-repair and regenerate. During the day, your brain suffers billions of micro-damages from free radicals, stress, and pollution. At night, during deep sleep, it needs raw materials to trigger neurogenesis, new brain cell formation. If you don't supply the fuel, aging wins. Blueberries, or more precisely their core compound anthocyanin, are the most powerful known catalyst for supporting neurogenesis and cellular repair. Anthocyanin, the ultimate neuroprotective antioxidant. Anthocyanin gives blueberries their deep blue-purple color. These special antioxidants can cross the blood-brain barrier and go straight to the most sensitive areas of the brain and retina. Once inside, they neutralize accumulated free radicals, cleanup crew, help activate biochemical signals for new neural connections and hippocampal function, memory and learning center. Extensive benefits for brain and eyes, backed by studies, plus full-body support. Blueberry juice is the pinnacle of our regeneration strategy. We now have 4 powerful tools. Tool number 5 is spinach juice, the macula repairman for razor-sharp vision and faster visual processing. Tool number 6 is pink red grapefruit juice, the clean, sustained morning energy source without caffeine crashes. Action guide, the 3+3 rule. We've reached the most important part, implementation. You now own deep knowledge of 6 liquid super tools. Trying to make and drink all 6 every day would be overwhelming and unsustainable. That's why the solution is the 3+3 rule, a simple execution strategy that splits the 6 juices into 2 protocols. Morning protocol, 3 juices. Maximum activation and protection. 1. Pink grapefruit juice, kickstarts metabolism and sustained focus. 2. Spinach juice, peak visual sharpness and processing speed with healthy fat. 3. Beet juice at 3 p.m. Powerful afternoon revival instead of coffee. Evening protocol, 3 juices. Maximum recovery and regeneration. 1. Tomato juice, cooked, with dinner, lycopene shield overnight. 2. Pomegranate juice, 1 hour before bed, calms neuroinflammation. 3. Blueberry juice, 30 minutes before bed, fuels overnight neurogenesis and memory consolidation. The 3+3 rule lets you capture 100% of the benefits in the simplest, most science-aligned way possible. We've completed an incredible knowledge journey and unlocked the secrets of the 6 liquid super tools, your ultimate weapons for brain and eye health. You now know exactly how to use the 3+3 rule to activate during the day and recover at night. Simple and scientifically sound. But remember, the enemy of change is perfection. You don't have to do all 6 at once. Pick the 3 that feel easiest and most appealing to you right now. If you're ready to feel the difference in reading ease, memory speed, and end-of-day visual clarity in just weeks to months, comment "I'm starting" below so I can cheer you on. And don't forget to subscribe to The Healthy Springs for more simple, life-changing nutrition strategies. Thank you for joining me today. Start juicing tonight. See you in the next video. This information is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult your physician if you take medications or have medical conditions.